Hello Kuttimanies and Kuttapans, എല്ലാവർക്കും ക്ലാസിക് ന്യൂബിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. Hello all my lovelies and cuties, my peeps. Welcome back to my channel and wish you a very happy Onam to all. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണാശംസകൾ. If anybody is new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like my video. Please go and subscribe my channel. Go fast. This video is shooting today only, Saturday 21st. I will try to edit and put this video today only because today is Onam. So this is little bit Onam vlog, not that much vlog. I won't get time to take that much video, but I have tried to cover up all the things that comes under Onam. So let's get started.
So this is the flowers which I have to make the flower rangoli. So I had brought yesterday. Now we will separate the flowers. Now the flowers are separated like this. Now let's go. Now this is the final look of the flower rangoli called Pookalam. So meantime, this is the dishes prepared. This is called pachadi. This is sambar. This is chawli ka bhaji. This is mango achar. My god, so good. This is curry, more curry. This is called avial, a mixture of varieties of vegetables. And finally, this is payasam, kheer. And this is papadam. This is rice, which is also called as chor in Malayalam. Now get ready with me.
So this year I didn't done any Onam makeup look or Onam outfit because I didn't get any time. So yeah, so I thought we can do a little vlog related to Onam, and I already did my makeup, so there is no tutorial for Onam makeup. So yeah, I have used this top is from Meesho and this earring is also from Meesho. I will do a proper Meesho haul in my coming videos, so you will get to know about all the things in details. So yeah, this is my overall look, and I have done mehendi, but not that much big mehendi. So for my non-Malayali friends who is watching my video and non-Malayali subscribers, so what is Onam? So Onam is a harvest festival which is celebrated in Kerala, and it is a state festival of Kerala. And yeah, it is a mainly comes under the month of August or September, but sometimes it comes earlier. And if we talk about the celebrations of Onam, is like mainly we do the Pukalam, like we do a flower rangoli, and main thing is Onam Sadhya, means in banana leaf there will be a varieties of food that we will prepare and we only eat. So yeah, not that much we are celebrating Onam. Yeah, this is the main thing we do in Onam. For Mumbai Malayalis, just like they are staying in flats, so yeah, they have only like this only. They get up early in the morning and prepare all the food, how much they can afford or how much they can prepare, so that much food is prepared, and new clothes will be wear, and yeah, that's it. Like this, wearing and sitting and taking so much photos and pukalams, whatever we can celebrate, that is celebrated. But in Kerala, I don't know, because I have not celebrated in Kerala, so I don't have any idea regarding that how Onam is properly celebrated. Yeah, in my mom's time, they told that they were did the swing. They put the swing at the tree branches and they just swing. So yeah, this is all comes under Onam, and in some parts there will be a different type of celebration. So in last year I was at the Kerala, and I won't celebrate it that much how we celebrating in Mumbai. So I don't know regarding a proper how Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Mainly, we can see the celebrations in the most of the colleges in Kerala. Like you have seen in Premam movie, you can watch how Onam celebration is going in the college. So in college and school, yeah, it is celebrated very grandly. And yeah, in some of the TV programs also we can watch like how they are celebrating. There will be events, fun, games. But as a family point of view, we just wear new clothes and we do the rangolis of flowers. And the Onam Sadhya consists of varieties of foods, like first we serve bhajis and different types of, there are many food I not remember, like kootu curry, ulitiyal, inji curry, pachadi, and achar, and papad. There are many things, but I don't remember. First, we will there will be rice. Rice we say in Malayalam as chor. Okay, not that chor. Chor means rice in Malayalam. So in rice we pour sambar. First, there will be three types of curries like dal, sambar, and more curry. It is made up of curd, more curry, and sambar you all know. And dal, the normal, it is not that dal curry that we prepare in Mumbai. It's a little different dal curry. So yeah, first we will eat with dal, then second we eat with sambar, and third we eat with more curry with the curd, curry, yeah, curry. More curry means that curry we will make in Mumbai. Yeah, that's it, curry. So yeah, these three curries and different types of bhajis like cabbage bhaji. Not many bhajis are there. I actually don't remember all these things. And as a dessert, we serve payasam. Payasam means kheer. So kheer is also have different types, not only the rice kheer. There are different types of kheers. So I don't know if you guys will understand or not, the non-Malayalis. There are many kheers like Adapradaman, Palada, and semia is a packet one. We can, semia is nothing but vermicelli. Yeah, vermicelli, we can make the kheer using vermicelli. So yeah, there are many types of payasams.
So this is the final look of the food in banana leaf, and it's very yummy and tasty. So this is called kheer, and in Malayalam it is called as payasam.
So that's it for today's video. So I will try to upload today only, so that not that much you guys will get an idea regarding Onam. Yeah, so we can come back to my next video. Okay then, bye.